Well, you probably wonder why I'm smiling. After 20 years of building SEMA trucks for Ford, you can see I can't get much higher. Look at the Ranger behind me. I finally made the big time. I've got a floating Ranger. There's nothing better than that when you walk in the door, and I thought it was going to be on the ground. And I walk around the corner, and there we go. We got the Ranger. Look at it. It's his own little container way above everybody else. That's what you get after 20 years of building cars for Ford. Well, let's talk a little bit about this 2019 Ranger build. So we basically had less than 30 days to build it. With the help of Sherwin-Williams and the rest of our sponsors, we got this truck completely done and on the way to Vegas, where we were lucky enough to be awarded a Ford Design Award. The neat thing about this thing, with the help of Ford and Ford License, we got all the CAD data. With the help of Ford and all the CAD data, we were able to develop all the products for Ford. As you can see on this beautiful 2019 Ranger, all these parts will be at your local Ford dealer come first of the year, and have this as good looking as the one behind us. Let's talk a little bit about Sherwin-Williams and his paint scheme. When I went to Sherwin-Williams this year, I wanted to get completely two paint schemes, one on the whitest white and the darkest dark. So we worked with Sherwin-Williams, and it took us about a week to come up with a white. So when we paint the whole truck white, then we added all the gloss blacks. And once you add the gloss black, the more black you put on it, the more the white pops, and vice versa. So that's what I call the yin-yang. And the truck, the more you look at it, the more you like it. One of the unique things about Airdesign designing all these Ford accessory parts for the Rangers, we didn't want to take away from any of the DNA of the Ranger. As you can see, it's got a high belt line, and it's got a really muscular look. So by adding on these parts and carefully, this thing gives you like what I call the Raptor looks. It's like a mini Raptor or a Ranger-Raptor. So my design philosophy is less is more. As you can see, the more you look at that truck, you pick stuff out, nothing's in your face. So let's talk a little bit about Airdesign's Ford licensed parts. I mean, this thing looks like a Raptor, and that's what the whole thing is. You can go to your Ford dealer and you can build yourself what I call a Ranger-Raptor.